Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet bookmark designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet bookmark is a small handmade bookmark created using crochet techniques with yarn or thread. Instead of being made from paper, metal, or fabric, it is mounted with crochet pieces, making it portable and functional. Here are some practical tips for making or using crochet bookmarks. Choose the right material. Use fine crochet thread or thin yarn like cotton or thread for a delicate flat bookmark. Avoid thick yarns. They can make the bookmark bulky and hard to read in books. Select simple stitches for beginners. Start with basic stitches like chain, single crochet, and double crochet. Rings or shell patterns can make it elegant but keep it flat enough to slip between pieces. Add decorative touches, crochet flowers, leaves, tassels, and cute motifs at the top or ends. You can also incorporate leaves, charm, or buttons for extra charm. Keep it flat. Make sure your bookmark is not too thick or it will stress the book's spine. Light airy stitches or lace patterns work best. Size appropriate. Typical size 5 or 6 inches long or 2 inches wide for starter books. For large textbooks, you can make it slightly longer. Lock your bookmark to finishing. Lightly block your crochet blade. Wait and pin in flat to help it keep shape. Personalize. Use favorite colors, details, or motifs to make it unique. Handmade bookmarks make great gifts for friends and family. Care tips. Wash it gently if needed. Cotton thread is easy to clean. Avoid snagging or rough places. Here are some additional tips to make your crochet bookmarks even better. Experiment with shapes. Don't limit yourself or rectangles. Try hearts, stars, flowers, animals, or leaves. Unique shapes make your bookmark more fun and eye-catching. Mix colors. Use color changes or reusable thread for stripes or patterns. Opening clips or distancing edge can make the design pop. Use lightweight embellishments, a teeny bit sequins or charms, and a tip or edge for sparkle. Make sure they are flat or small, so the bookmark still slides easily into a book. Incorporate rings or tassels. Small tassels or rings at the end add texture and personality. Make them short enough to avoid bending places. Try different textures. Combine laces pieces, popcorn pieces, or shells to create interesting patterns. Textured bookmarks can feel nice to touch and look elegant. Try different textures. Combine laces pieces, popcorn pieces, or shells to create interesting patterns. use a small name tag or symbols meaningful to the recipient. Handmade bookmarks show care and attention. Keep edged neat. Finish edged with a slip stitch or pick out edging to prevent curling and make it look polished. A clean border also helps the bookmark slide smoothly between pages. Try many motifs. Crochet the small motifs like flowers, butterflies, or hearts, and attach them to a simple rectangular base. This creates a layered, decorative look without adding powder. Combine techniques. Mix crochet with embroidery. You can embroider details or patterns onto the bookmark. Adding surface crochet or small stitches can personalize it further. Make double-sided designs. Use patterns that look good on both sides, especially if the bookmark might peek out of the book. Simple lace or pattern style stitches work well double sides. Use a tracer thread carefully. Some cotton threads strays a little. Amateur elastic here, as it can trap over time. Embroidery loops or clips crochet the loop at the top to hang a charm or tassel. You can also add a small paper clip or ribbon to your pages more securely. Protect your work. If the bookmark will be used frequently, consider a light coat of clear fabric stapler. This keeps it flat and stable without changing the texture too much. Seasonal or themed designs. Make bookmarks for holidays, seasons, or hobbies. Pumpkins for fall, snowflakes for winter, flowers for spring, and so on. They make lovely gifts and collectibles. Gift presentation. Wrap your handmade bookmarks with ribbons, small boxes, or envelopes. Personal touches like a handwritten note enhance the charm. Practice consistent tension. Keeping spaces even makes the bookmark lay flat and look professional. Uneven tension can cause curling or uneven edge. Make thread thickness. Use slightly thicker thread or motifs and thinner thread for the base. This adds dimension without bulk. Make sliding friendly bookmarks. Keep bookmarks slim and flexible so they slide easily between pages without tearing them. Live with open work. Use lacy open work stitches like chain spaces, shells, or nests. For a delicate area, this also makes the bookmark lighter and elegant. Tree accepts small crochet flowers, balls, or tiny animals, and patterned on top can create a charming 3D effect. Linked and shades combine hair or ribbon or thread and beads for even pictures. Keep it color coordinated. Stick to throughout complementary colors to avoid overwhelming the design. Subtle gradients or pastel tones often look very elegant. Test bookmark fit. Before finishing, slide the bookmark into a book to make sure it fits without scratching the pages. Use lightweight stapler for a more rigged bookmark. Lightly spray with fabric stapler or strass. This keeps lace or openwork patterns flat over time. Keep matching bookmarks in matching colors or themes for a gift set or seasonal collection. Add small tassels or charm. Teeny tassels, beads, or charms can be